Hi, Chad Dewey here to help you install your set-top box for television viewing. This video is here to help you install your wireless Lightwave set-top box. Before we start, make sure that the power outlets you use are not connected to a light switch. Some living rooms are wired that way for use with lamps. We will be covering 3 pieces of equipment: a gateway, a wireless adapter, and the wireless set-top box. Let's start with the gateway. This unit receives the signal from our network into your home. From there, the signal is distributed to internet and television signals, which brings us to the wireless adapter. It talks to the set-top box through the air, but must be connected with an Ethernet cable to the gateway. A yellow cable is provided. Connect the units like this. You are now ready to send a radio signal to your set-top box. Naturally, the wireless adapter and set-top box need to be plugged in for power. To pair the 2 units, turn on the set-top box. It will give you a prompt to connect. Press and release the OK button. The blinking power light tells you it is ready to receive a wireless signal. Now go to the wireless adapter and find the large WPS button. Press and hold it for 2 seconds. When you let go, the pairing begins. Once complete, the blinking will stop. The set-top box also has an indicator to let you know it is getting the signal. If you're adding more set-top boxes, you must go through this pairing process for each box. If you have any trouble or have any connections different than the one shown here, please give us a call. Thank you for your business. We truly appreciate it.